As a student at Los Rios, you probably need to use ConferZoom. First, let's go to Canvas. Enter canvas.losrios.edu /. Next, enter your W followed by your student number, then your password. From here, you select Canvas, then select your class. Now, select ConferZoom. From here, you may have some options. You might think, oh, I'm going to join this lecture which ended at 11:50 a.m., but it's not an option anymore because it's already passed. You can instead join this. From here, you'll be prompted to open up Zoom, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, it may take a few minutes to run. Now you have two choices. You can join with a phone call, which is not recommended, or with your computer audio. At this point, you'll probably want to mute yourself so you're not a distraction. When you have questions, make sure to unmute yourself to ask them. You can also start your video. I had a question, Professor. Make sure to stop your video when it's no longer needed. I would also recommend opening up the participants and chat window. Here, in the participants window, you can raise your hand and let me know that you had a question. Make sure to lower your hand when your question has been answered. You can click yes, no, go slower, go faster, as well as thumbs down, up, clapping, and need a break or I'm away. From the chat window, you can send messages to everyone, hello, or just to specific persons. At times, you may need to share your screen. Clicking here, share. Once you select what you needed to share, for instance, your screen or maybe a whiteboard to write down a question, click the share button. To stop sharing your screen, select stop share. And from here, you can also leave your meeting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.